So we have a question here, and the question is how many lines can pass through one given point. So suppose you have this one point, okay, and it's asking how many lines can pass through this point. So well, let's see. You can draw one line, you can draw another line, okay, so line this, then this, then let's say another line, let's say another line. So it's very obvious that if you have any one given point and it's being asked that how many lines will pass through that point, the answer should be countless. The answer should be countless. You cannot count that. Why? Because as many, you can draw as many lines as you want, because you have this one point and there can't be any limit of drawing number of lines through this point. And the next question is two given points. So let's say that you have 2 points, this point and this point. Now let's say this point P and this is Q. If you have to draw, the question is how many lines can you draw passing through these 2 points. Okay, the line should pass both these 2 points. The answer is you can draw only one line. There is only one line that is possible. There is only one line that is possible, okay, and that's this one, right? Let's say this is L1. So if you have point P and Q or any 2 points, there is only and only one line possible through 2 given points. It can't be 3, it can't be 4, or it cannot be countless. Just one and only one.